I have a Dollar Tree haul. I am at the Dollar Tree with my kid, and we're going to do an A to Z challenge. 26 items of the alphabet at the Dollar Tree. Letter K, kettle cooked chips. E, egg noodles. S, snow globe. W, welcome mat. G, gnomes. O, ornament. B, boxes. D, dry erase block. P, paper towels. G, garden stake. P, pencils. I, index cards. N, nail polish. R, retractable pen. T, for tape. D, doilies. C, conditioner. Grabbing a couple of the hamburger patties. Grabbing the cups for the bathroom. M for Minnie Mouse. Q, Q-tips. Z, zip ties. J for jelly. H for hair tie. Noodles, N. L, lollipops. U, unicorn. V, vase. The only letter we couldn't find is the letter X. This is Let Us Eat. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed all those store clips. We are doing an A to Z challenge at the Dollar Tree to see how many letters of the alphabet we can find. And I think we did pretty good. Some of those letters are pretty darn hard to find at any store. If you are new here, thank you so much for dropping by and checking me out. Thank you to everyone who supports me each and every day. I really appreciate everyone who keeps subscribing to my channel, staying subscribed, viewing my videos, liking the videos, and just everyone's support in general. My subscribe guy just popped up. He's asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. He's telling you to smash on that subscribe word down below. Don't forget, when we hit our next milestone, that we're almost halfway there, 700, we'll be issuing out 2 more $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subscribers, one for comments. If you are new, you must comment you are new in order to qualify within the comments of any video, and be a U.S. resident. If you comment, you must be subscribed and be a U.S. resident. And I am still 3 away from the items giveaway from the Dollar Tree. That is 4 items that you'll get to choose from a photo that I will send via email. And the same rules apply. All the information will be in my description box down below with my most popular video, food pantry haul. Let's get into the Dollar Tree challenge. A, animal cookies. They're iced and they're 14 ounces. B, this cute little box that Dollar Tree has put out for the holidays. They have quite a variety and selection. Check them out. C, conditioner for your hair. And that is a good shampoo. Daily Defense, and I love their conditioner. I can't believe they have that at the Dollar Tree. D, doilies. And I've been wanting doilies for my buffet when it's in the non-holiday season and I don't have a runner. E, egg noodles. F, foam dry erase block. That is so cool. I'm sure I'll be able to use this in my house with my planning boards for my menu and my channel. I have a board that's designed just for my channel. A G, garden gnome. H, hair clips. I, index card. J, jelly. K, kettle cook. L, lollipops. M, Minnie Mouse. N, nail polish. O, ornament, and that could have been a C. Jaclyn wanted it for an O. P, pencils. Q was really hard to find, and Jaclyn said Q-tips. That was brilliant. And R was difficult, but we found a retractable pen. R, retractable. S, snow globe. Now I had an excuse to buy one. I really wanted one, even though I don't really have the place for it. But it was part of the alphabet challenge. T, tape. U, unicorn. V, vase. X was a no-go. They did not have any Xerox paper, and they always have Xerox paper, but they were out. Y, yarn, and they didn't have the little tiny xylophones that they used to carry. And because it's not on the table, I don't want to forget, I got W, welcome mat. Again, Y, yarn, and a Z, zip ties. My husband's like, what are you going to find for the letter Z? And I couldn't find any zebra print patterns anywhere in the Dollar Tree. Not on hairbrushes, makeup bags, socks, nothing. And then I remembered zip ties. So that was a score. And then Ziploc bags, but they're the Sure Fresh with the pension seal. So that's not really a Ziploc. It's a different style. But here is the welcome mat for W. And here is the A to Z challenge. And I really love the vase, that beautiful black bottle. Yarn, if you didn't know, Dollar Tree's been carrying, and it's a great quality. I just wish I knew how to knit and crochet. And Jaclyn's going to be keeping the unicorn, the pen for school, pencils for school. It's going to be their church for the tree. And the nail polish is also hers, and the Minnie Mouse. So she scored with the A to Z challenge as well as the animal crackers and lollipops. That is it for this Dollar Tree challenge. Everything from A to Z except the X. I really love the W with the welcome mat, the vase for V. There's a lot of cool stuff on the table, and I have a place for everything. So nothing's going to be cluttered because I've been doing a lot of decluttering. If you watch all my videos, a few weeks back we started a decluttering series, and I've been going through room by room here in the apartment, getting everything decluttered. And the last room that I'm going to be decluttering is my bedroom within the next week, because I want everything done before November. My subscribe guy just popped up. He is asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget, he's also asking you to smash that subscribe word down below. And as always, all the information for the giveaways, for the items giveaway, which we still need 3 more subscribers, as well as the milestone giveaway when we hit 700 will be in my information box down below with links to my Facebook page, Facebook group, as well as my players list for Dollar Tree hauls and my most popular video. Have a great day.